On this small plot, we begin building a sturdy two-story mini house using solid cement. Step by step, each floor rises, shaping into a neat and detailed structure. In the front, a small swimming pool is added, giving the home a luxurious touch despite its tiny size. Then, the walls are painted a bright yellow, bringing warmth, cheerfulness, and life to the whole design. The strong cement build, the refreshing pool, and the vibrant yellow color make this mini house not just a structure, but a little masterpiece. Don't forget to subscribe and follow Dream Mini Builds for more amazing mini house creations.